Are you tired of choosing between coffee pods and ground coffee, or waiting forever for cold brew? Today I'm reviewing the Ninja DualBrew Hot and Iced Coffee Maker, and this machine does both grounds and pods, plus cold brew in minutes. Let's see if it's really worth it. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Mitisha. If you love smart kitchen appliances and honest reviews, you're in the right place. I've been using this Ninja DualBrew for a few days, and here's my real experience. It comes with big coffee jar to brew for your entire family, or single serving of only for yourself. This coffee maker is super versatile. You can use coffee grounds or single serve pods, which is great if your family has different preferences. From a single cup to a full carafe. It has got two separate filters. One is for pods if you are single serving, and this is for loose coffee. Loose coffee goes in here. Also comes with measuring spoon for the loose coffee. It offers multiple brew on your preference, and the flavors are strong, rich, or normal. You can select whatever you prefer. I love Dunkin' Donuts coffee, so I am using this today. Here are some functions to operate. It's pretty simple to use. You can see time display. You can make classic hot coffee, iced coffee, and my favorite feature, Rapid Cold Brew, which takes just about 10 minutes instead of overnight. The coffee tastes rich and smooth, not watery like some machines. The iced coffee doesn't melt the ice, so the flavor stays strong. And the cold brew, very smooth, low bitterness, honestly cafe style at home. This machine looks modern and premium on the countertop. The buttons are easy to understand. The water reservoir is large, and cleaning is simple. If you're a busy parent, coffee lover, or content creator, this is perfect. One machine replaces multiple coffee makers, saving money and space. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Cooking with Mitisha for more honest kitchen reviews. I've added the product link in the description. Check it out.